Welcome to our guide on mastering Gate.io's KYC process. Let's unlock your crypto trading potential in just minutes. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is crucial in preventing financial crimes and ensuring regulatory compliance in crypto trading. Gate.io's KYC process enhances security and builds trust among users, creating a safer trading environment for everyone. For Gate.io's KYC, you'll need a valid government-issued ID and proof of address. Let's walk through the process. The verification procedure is simple. Upload your documents, take a selfie, and wait for approval. Most verifications complete within 48 hours. Unverified accounts face trading restrictions and potential freezing. Don't risk it. Complete your KYC today. Gate.io is committed to a user-friendly and efficient KYC process, making verification quick and hassle-free. By completing KYC, you unlock full platform access and can trade with confidence on Gate.io. Ready to unlock your full trading potential? Click below to start your Gate.io KYC process now.